In the stillness of the morning, as the world awakens, there lies a profound opportunity, a chance to reshape our reality through the power of our words. Every sound, every whisper carries a force unseen but deeply felt. Close your eyes for a moment. Listen to the silence around you. Beneath that silence is a vibration, a frequency that connects all things. It is the same energy that flows through the stars, the trees, the oceans, and within you. But how often do we truly listen? How often do we realize that the words we speak, the thoughts we form, are not just sounds, but blueprints for our future? Words are more than mere communication. They are spells cast into reality, shaping what we see, what we believe, and what we become. Every great civilization, every revolution, every breakthrough began with a single spoken idea. Think about it. The words you choose today will become the foundation of your tomorrow. The phrases you repeat will carve pathways in your mind, strengthening either fear or faith, doubt or determination. Every I can or I can't is an instruction you give to the universe, an echo that will return in the form of your reality. The question is, what reality are you creating? Most people speak without thought, unaware of the ripples they create. They complain, they criticize, they reinforce their own limitations without realizing that each word carries weight. But those who understand, those who awaken to the power of intention, they speak differently. They do not waste words on self-doubt. They do not give power to fear. Instead, they speak as if every sentence is a sacred act of creation. Because it is. When you say, I am strong, the universe listens. When you declare, I will find a way, the path begins to form beneath your feet. This is not magic. It is alignment. It is the resonance between belief and reality, between what is spoken and what is lived. There is a place beyond sight, beyond sound, a realm where every word ever spoken still exists. Some call it the Akashic Records, others the field, the ether, the collective unconscious. It is the library of all that was, all that is, and all that could be. Every affirmation, every prayer, every intention, these do not vanish. They accumulate. They wait for us to claim them, to step into alignment with their frequency. This is why those who choose their words with care, those who speak with purpose, often seem to shape the world around them. They have tapped into something ancient, something powerful. They have learned to resonate with creation itself. So the next time you speak, pause. Feel the weight of your words before they leave your lips. Are they lifting you up or pulling you down? Are they constructing the life you want or reinforcing the one you wish to escape? Because the truth is, your voice is not just yours. It is an instrument of change, a bridge between thought and reality. It is a force that can shape the world around you, if only you choose to wield it with intention. Thank you for walking this path with us today. If this message resonated with you, if it awakened something within you, share it, speak it, and most importantly, live it. Like, share, and subscribe to Zephern for more insights into the unseen forces that shape our existence. Let's build a world where words become wisdom, and wisdom becomes action.